The amazing world of insects, small creatures, incredible secrets. Lady Beetle. Have you ever stopped to take a close look at a tiny insect crawling around you? Most of the time, we see an insect and simply ignore it because it looks so small and ordinary. But did you know that the world of insects is full of incredible secrets that can truly amaze us? Some insects live underground, some live on trees, some live near water, and others can be found around our homes. Some are extremely tiny, while others have incredible strength compared to their body size. In today's video, we are going to discover some amazing facts about insects, including their strength, food, homes, defense mechanisms, and some of their most surprising secrets. So make sure you watch until the end, because there is one fascinating fact that you may have never heard before. First, let's talk about the incredible strength of insects. Some insects are very small, but their bodies can be surprisingly strong. Certain insects can carry or pull objects that are several times heavier than their own body weight. Just imagine if a human could easily lift several times their own body weight. How incredibly strong would they be? Nature has designed insects with special body structures, legs, and muscles that help them walk, climb, push objects, and sometimes pull surprisingly heavy things. But an insect's real strength is not only in its body. Its ability to survive is also truly remarkable. Insects can sense what is happening around them. They can respond to light, darkness, moisture, temperature, and danger, changing their behavior according to their environment. Now, where do insects get their food? The answer depends on the type of insect. Some insects eat leaves and other parts of plants. Some feed on smaller insects. Some obtain food from dead animals or decaying organic matter. And some insects are attracted to fruits, flowers, or sweet foods. So, not every insect has the same diet. This is one of the reasons insects can survive in so many different environments. Now let's talk about their homes. Have you ever wondered where insects actually live? Many insects hide and live underground. Some make their homes underneath rocks. Others live between tree trunks, leaves, or plants. Some choose places where they can easily hide from predators and find food. For insects, a home is not simply a place to live. It can also protect them from rain, sunlight, cold, heat, and dangerous predators. But how does such a tiny creature protect itself from its enemies? This is another amazing secret of insect survival. Some insects can run so quickly that predators find it difficult to catch them. Some have colors and body shapes that blend into their surroundings, making them difficult to see. Some insects can even pretend to be dead when they sense danger. Others release unpleasant smells or chemicals from their bodies that can make predators stay away. So insects don't have just one method of survival. Different species have developed different ways to protect themselves. Now let's talk about another interesting question. Can insects harm humans? The answer is, some insects can, but not every insect is dangerous. Some insects may bite or sting when they are defending themselves. Some can release substances that may irritate human skin. But many small insects would rather hide or run away when they see a human instead of attacking. So it would not be correct to consider every insect dangerous. Now here is another interesting question. Why are insects found in such enormous numbers around the world? One major reason is their ability to reproduce, adapt to different environments, and find food in many different ways. Many insects lay their eggs in places where the next generation can find suitable food and conditions for survival. After hatching from the egg, an insect goes through different stages of life depending on its species. Some insects look completely different after hatching than they do when they become adults. They may begin life as larvae and later transform into adult insects. This process is known as metamorphosis. A butterfly is one of the most beautiful examples. First comes the egg, then the caterpillar, followed by the pupa, and finally the beautiful butterfly. So a creature that begins life inside a tiny egg can eventually transform into something completely different. Now let's talk about the role insects play in nature. Are insects only a problem for humans? No, many insects are extremely important to the natural environment. Some insects help with pollination while collecting nectar from flowers. Some help break down dead plants and animals. Others help control the population of harmful insects. So if all insects disappeared from the world, many parts of the natural ecosystem could face serious problems. This shows us that almost every creature has an important role in nature. Now here is another amazing fact. Some insects have colors and body shapes that help protect them from predators. Some insects look like leaves. Some look like pieces of wood. And some even imitate dangerous animals so that predators will stay away. This type of protective resemblance is called mimicry. In other words, a tiny insect can use its own appearance as a form of protection. Now imagine the world of insects at night. Some insects that remain hidden during the day come out after dark. They search for food, find mates, and move around their environment. Some insects are attracted to light, which is why you may have seen small insects flying around a light bulb at night. However, not every insect is attracted to light. This behavior depends on the species. So how do insects survive so successfully? The answer is adaptation. Nature has given different insects different body structures, colors, legs, diets, and defense mechanisms that help them survive in different environments. Some run quickly across the ground. Some can fly. Some live near water. Some spend their lives in trees. And some hide deep underground. This is the beauty of nature. Every creature living in the same world has developed its own unique way of surviving. So the next time you see a tiny insect, don't simply think of it as an ordinary little creature. Behind that tiny body is a remarkable story of survival, adaptation, and millions of years of natural change. The world of nature is truly full of surprises. A tiny insect can teach us a lot about survival, adaptation, and the incredible systems created by nature. If you enjoyed these amazing facts about insects, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want us to explore the secrets of another amazing creature in our next video, let us know its name in the comments. If you liked our video, please subscribe, press the like button, and share it with others.